Hi everyone, this is Nikos from Speckle and welcome to this tutorial series. In this tutorial we're going to explore how we can transfer out data from Grasshopper to Power BI and how we can create powerful visualization using Grasshopper data. To get started, in the first video we're going to have a quick introduction and a setup. If you are already familiar with Speckle, you can just skip this video. In the second video we're going to have a video about how we can create a Speckle object, how we can extend the Speckle object with custom properties. It's going to be a very simple example. And then in the third video, we're going to use a more complex example, a massing study, how we're going to structure the data there. We're going to learn. And then we're going to use the Speckle viewer to visualize this data. And then in the fourth video, we're going to receive all this data from Speckle to Power BI and then create a nice awesome dashboard. So let's get started. So in order to get started with Speckle, visit speckle.system, then click register now. If you already have an account, go on and fill your credentials or log in with your Google account. If not, click here and then create an account or use your Google email to log in and create the account directly. So I have already done this part. I'm gonna skip it. And now that we're back here in the main page, we can click again and we have logged in, of course. We can click on register now, and this is going to bring you in the main Speckle dashboard. The second step is to install the Speckle manager. So go here and download it for Mac or Windows. I'm going to download it for Windows. And once you have downloaded, go forward and follow these steps. I've already installed the manager, so I'm going to skip this part. And once you have installed the manager, go here and search for Speckle manager. Open the manager and you will see this window. So here what we see, we have three tabs. We have the news, of course, the connectors and our account. So make sure you have logged in with the correct account and you are connected to the correct server. You can add multiple accounts and different servers. Right now we're going to use the app.speckle.system. This is the free server that Speckle provides for everyone. And if you go back to the connectors tab, you will see a list of connectors for different applications. Here we can see what connectors are available to install. And here we can see the connectors that we have already installed. So in my case, and for this tutorial, we're going to need to install Grasshopper, Power BI and Rhino connector. I have already done that, but go on and click the install button if you haven't done this part and install the latest version. Okay, perfect. So gonna go on and close this. Now the third step is to create a project, a new project where we're gonna send and receive our model. So I'm gonna go here and click new project. I'm gonna give a name to this. I'm gonna make sure that this is link shareable, because in Power BI right now we can only visualize the model when the project is link shareable. If you set the model the project to private, you will not be able to see your model in Power BI. Okay. Now that I have clicked and I'm in the project that I just created, I can go on and create a new model. The first model we're gonna just create it's gonna be a test model. And then I'm going to create a second model that's going to be our massing. And I'm going to create also a third model that's going to be our context, okay? Cool. Now we have 3 different models, and the next step will be to open Rhino and Grasshopper and start sending data. This is the end of the first video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next video.